Have you ever thought of using bookends for more than just book holders? Here are 20 unexpected ways you can use them to help keep every room in your home tidy with little effort. Living in a small flat, I'm always hunting for clever ways to stay organized. I love taking inspiration from Japanese brands like Daiso and MUJI, as they have a variety of storage solutions and everyday items that can be used creatively, including these simple steel bookends. At first, you probably only see them as just basic holders for organizing books, but did you know they can do so much more than that? Thanks to their slim design, magnetic feature, and plain neutral colors, these bookends are surprisingly versatile. They can help you organize many different areas of your home, such as if you're short on space, you can place a bookend on the side of your shoe cabinet to create extra hanging space for your stuff. Simply weigh it down with a container or decoration to keep it in place and use magnetic hooks. You can remove and reposition it anytime without damaging the cabinet. Give your mail a proper temporary home instead of letting it pile up around the house. Clip 2 bookends together with strong magnets to create a simple letter holder that keeps bills, flyers, and notes neatly in place until you're ready to sort them. Make the most of a steel bookend by turning it into a magnetic memo board. You can even attach a small magnetic pen so it's always within reach. You can create a mini shelf by attaching 2 same-size bookends using magnetic strips or 4 strong magnets. You can adjust the width easily by shifting the magnets to fit your needs. Kids' shoes are small and storing them vertically can help you save more space. If you store bottles or cans sideways, using a bookend will prevent them from rolling out. This easy tip works great to keep your drinks or water bottles tidy. Small seasoning bottles often slide around in pull-out drawers. Adding a small bookend keeps them steady and neatly separated. You can also stick a little museum putty or tack underneath the bookend to make it even more secure. Another item you can hold neatly with a bookend in the kitchen is food wrap packaging, such as cling wrap or baking sheets. It helps maximize space and prevents messy piles. Don't just toss your snacks or food packets into a container. You can keep them more organized by using a bookend to keep them easy to reach. This helps you sort by date, reduce waste, and save space at the same time. Use bookends to separate and support tall, flat food packages that can't stand upright on their own. This simple trick helps you see everything clearly and makes it easier to grab what you need. If you store dish towels, handkerchiefs, or other small towels in a drawer, you can keep them tidy by using bookends as dividers. You can create extra storage in your kitchen cabinet by combining 2 bookends with super strong magnets to form a mini shelf. It's an easy way to make space for small plates, bowls, or other dishes when your cabinet starts to feel cramped. A simple bookend can also keep your serving or baking trays upright and neat. It can help you minimize clutter and make better use of your space. Running out of space in your bathroom cabinet? Simply slot in a bookend and pair them with magnetic hooks or containers to create extra vertical storage. It helps everything stay tidy and in sight. You can make a mini shelf made by combining two bookends with super strong magnets to store your small beauty products. It's a great way to save space, and you can adjust the length to fit into small spaces effortlessly. Small beauty items like your hair gels can sit neatly on a mini shelf made by attaching two bookends together with heavy-duty magnets. It's a smart space saver, and you can easily adjust the length to fit even the tightest spots. After folding your shirts perfectly, keep them from toppling and creasing by using a bookend to hold them upright in the drawer until you're ready to wear them. You can also use bookends to organize panty liners, regular pads, and heavy flow pads. Just pop a few inside your drawer to create neat, easy access sections. If you place bookends inside a file box, you can use it to store hairstyling tools, and the bookends will keep everything upright and easy to grab. Keep them secure and prevent tipping by adding magic tape or tack underneath. If your phone usually charges by the bed, slide a bookend between the mattress and bed frame. Add a magnetic cable holder to keep your charging cord neatly in place, so it's always within reach. With a MagSafe phone, you can even attach it directly to the bookend. Bookends can also help you make a floating shelf in tight spots, like narrow gaps between walls or inside cabinets. Just secure two small extension poles and place the steel bookends against the wall. An easy way to add extra storage. Who would have thought a simple bookend could be so handy? They're not only affordable but also easy to repurpose for daily use. They fit into almost any space at home and might just be your new secret weapon for everyday tidying.